So far, you hate it.
How do I do the mirrors?
No clue. Probably in here. There's mirrors.
How do you... How do you even drive? Oh,
Jamie's first experience in the Tesla Model 3. You've been in other Teslas, but you've never driven one.
yeah.
So now we're driving it. And the main reason I want her to see this is just because I have no reason.
So I can say you're good to buy it?
Yeah.
So
No,
I'd be
not
like,
really.
Yeah, I'd drive that.
I just, I don't know. I would want to see how much you like it compared to how much I like it, and then we'll make a decision, I guess. All right, make sure you win this race. There we go.
What the fuck?
Isn't that crazy?
Oh, that's fun.
Isn't that really fun? I was showing her like the regenerative braking. She likes it more on standard, comfort mode, and acceleration obviously in standard. Chill is never a thing. There, he just caught up.
That's fine. I'm not trying to get a ticket.
No, I know. But yeah, so we're just gonna have a day. We're going to lunch right now, and then we're gonna go to the mall, I think, and just cruise around and check out the Model 3. So initial thoughts of the Model 3.
There's a lock.
Yeah, so you put the card right here. And then...
Oh, here's the...
Thank you.
I like it. I don't... Oh.
You looked up.
I don't like being in a car.
So you don't like the car aspect of it?
Yeah, I just don't like driving solo to the ground.
Okay.
But I... Watching us.
That's right. It's a little, I know, but you know, it is what it is. You don't like being low. You probably could get used to it, though.
Yeah, but I don't want to.
Wow.
I think we just gotta get the
All right. Well, I think that's it. We're making a Y. All right, we'll get the Y then. Y is like 55 grand plus tax, though. So Jamie said something interesting as we were walking in here. She was kind of embarrassed how we were talking to a camera and there were people walking by. But if you want to make a YouTube video, if you have to go out and vlog and do all these things, you just have to do it. You can't worry about whatever people think. You're never going to see them again. It just doesn't really matter. So stay confident, just work through it. I'll go get a shot. Why isn't your ass out?
Because that's inappropriate.
No, it's appropriate. They did it. Put your booty cheeks out. You don't want to? But this is the best.
I don't care.
So you're smarter than Elon?
I don't want to take a left onto Obstacle. I want to take a right onto Arizona.
At least do me a favor and mash it up the straightaway. We accelerate.
Whoa, that's not a left.
Yeah.
Can I wait till I get to the freeway?
Fine. Give her. Isn't that great?
Yeah.
And you didn't even.
Gets me all fluttery.
And you didn't even mash it.
I know. Well, there's cars at a red light.
Well, you know the agreement. As soon as we merge, to the floor.
Why are you laughing?
I'm so excited. You need to mash it to the floor. I want nothing more than that.
Holy shit.
Isn't that crazy?
Yes.
Woo!
Tits.
Tits is right. Keep it on the road.
I'm trying. Keep it on, I was on the road.
I know.
Oh, get up there real fast.
Yeah, so what you can do is double click, go like this. Alright, so now it's driving for you.
What?
Yeah. And then you can reduce your speed right here.
I don't need to hold the wheel right now.
Yeah, so it is doing it for you.
Are you sure?
Yep. And it'll keep distance from that car as well.
What happens when I need to exit?
You need to turn.
Okay.
But it'll keep you in your lane.
I don't like it.
Yeah, I know. I like to be on the wheel, but it is crazy, isn't it?
It makes me...
So now I would get back on the wheels. Yeah, so see, it still tells you.
Why does it tell me to do that?
Just because it doesn't want you to not have your hands on the wheel. It wants you to have some input.
Oh, I see. So it's not like, hey, just do nothing.
Right, it's not full autopilot. Yep. It's like makes it driving exciting, doesn't it? Like if you don't. Like if you don't really like it, or I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not really like, oh, I gotta go drive.
Right. No, but this changes that.
Yeah.
There's another one.
Do you think he's also not using his hand?
Yeah, he's sleeping.
Like, I'm not turning it right now.
So the crazy thing is, in a Tesla,
Oh, shit. I'm sorry, which way do I go? This
you want to get in the right lane.
I can't. So, I guess we're going left.
Yep. What?
Uh-oh, did someone die?
Well, might have got hit by a Tesla. When you get a performance car, usually the gas mileage is terrible. The faster Tesla you get, the more range it gets.
Mm-hmm.
So that's kind of a cool thing too. You get all the performance and then you get more range.
Is that just because it has
More batteries.
capacity?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know if it was like more efficient.
No. Maybe the Model Y dual motor. Or Model Y performance.
For me.
Mmm.
Well, the garage space.
The garage space.
It's gonna be an issue, so
Yeah, I mean yeah, but then I would have to drive it for work.
that's fine. You can drive it for now.
Okay, for now.
I'm work from home.
Right. And then when you're not, you take it back.
Yeah, and you'll get the Veloster N.
Okay. Oh, wow, they got it all blocked off.
Yeah. Usually that means someone died, doesn't
We were trying to go to Urban Outfitters, but there was a bunch of looting last night. They smashed all the windows in and stole a bunch of stuff. So it's all closed. The entire, where Andrew and I were yesterday in the mall, everything was fine. Everything's closed, so.
It's really eerie.
Yeah, there's like no one there. Everything's blocked off. Like they're, yeah, you can see they're putting boards on all of these businesses here. So it's interesting to see.
Yeah.
Gotta go quick. We're so fake.
Yeah.
What? Gotta go, bro.
Well, there's a living space about here.
Shoot, I gotta get to this before it turns red.
Jesus.
You think the store's gonna close? Well, overall, can you aim the camera a little bit better? There you go, now you're not a rookie. Overall, look at that hole. Holy hell.
What are you going to do with that?
Fill it. That's what you do with holes, you put things in them. Overall, you love the car, but you don't like sitting low in a car.
Is that a garage?
Might be.
Yeah, I just, when I'm driving personally, I feel like I'm less in control because I'm down lower. I prefer to be up so I can, I feel like I can see more when I'm higher.
It's just, I don't know, I go back and forth just because I think it's somewhat, because a Tesla is cool. It's different because it's an amazing car to drive. Anyone driving a Tesla, you're aiming at your face again. Anyone driving a Tesla is really enjoying their drive. It's a great car to be in. It's very different. It's very calming and relaxing. It's quiet. You're not polluting. All that is positive. But they're not cheap. And it's not like, you know what I mean? Like everyone looks at my M2. They're like, whoa, they point, they look. No one cares about a Tesla. No one cares.
I mean, they also don't care about the ST.
Yeah. Yeah, also true.
You're not driving, you're not buying a Lamborghini, you're just buying, like, this is your daily driver.
Exactly. Yeah.
But you're right about it being more, like, peaceful. Like, I feel like we should be listening to, like, some classical jazz or something.
Yeah. Just relax.
That actually sounds really nice.
Well, maybe we should end the video and listen to some jazz. What is this thing telling you to do? Take control immediately. I am.
You're gonna hit some cones.
Yeah, I agree. It would be nice to just listen to jazz, cruise around. We had our McDonald's. We got our McDonald's water here.
It's my McDonald's water.
My God, is that good? There's nothing better than McDonald's water and McDonald's ice cream. Nothing. Put them together.
It's a little cold.
Here's the Porsche dealership. There's a Macan Miami Blue.
I would drive that.
Yeah, baby. Just got to the PGA Superstore, and of course, there is a Veloster N here. That is beautiful. Yeah, I have it. God, it's such a sick car. Getting that with a dual clutch. What?
You get
I know. I was gonna put this back in the car.
It's dumb to video and put it back in.
Oh, it's dumb?
Yeah, if people see it, they'll steal it.
It was nice spending the whole weekend with the Tesla. Really got to experience it. Way better than a test drive. Even though the test drives are great because it's so different than any other car that you drive. That's why their conversion rate is so high. But Jamie really likes it, but we also just went to the Porsche dealership and looked at Macans.
I'd drive it.
Yep. And here comes another Model 3 behind us here. So, yeah, there's I don't know. There's a whole bunch of options out there, and basically when it comes time for her to buy a car, she's just going to test drive all of them and then make a decision. For me, it would make the most sense to get a base Model 3, the one I'm driving, just because of how much I drive for work. But then again, my Focus ST is paid off, and that's what I always come back to. So, yeah, Model 3 is excellent. If you haven't driven a Tesla and you're looking to get a new car, I highly recommend you do it because they are so smooth, so quiet, fast, great sound system, luxury interior, and simple. So I'm confident you'd really enjoy it. And that's all I have. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.